We're here at the Gateway Center. This is a new art project that's going up in our hallways. This is a project that's funded by the City of Albuquerque Arts Program, where 1.5% of construction budgets are set aside to put arts in public building. So there's 48 pieces that have been commissioned to be put up in Gateway Center. From Off Center, which is a free studio in downtown Albuquerque that allows people to come in and to create art in a safe and supportive environment. The other program is Art Street, which is run by Albuquerque Healthcare for the Homeless. They run this program as a way to offer therapy for those who are experiencing being unhoused. It's a way for them to express and put their feelings and some of their experiences into art.
If I describe me, I would say art's been my prayer, my saving grace. Well, I picked a couple out because I didn't want them to be like really intense. So I wanted something that was kind of relaxing. The one I have, I just looked at a picture of today, and it's called, instead of Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain, I called it Blue Eyes Drinking in the Rain, and it's just like this teardrop coming down. I looked at it and I thought, did I painted that?
We're very proud of this project because it gives us an opportunity to reflect those that we're serving as part of the Gateway Center, and it gives us a way to share some of their artistic interpretations of the world and to give a greater understanding to those who are just maybe visitors to the space.
If you put them all together, it's my autobiography. It's pretty much my story.